Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Check your phone and the My Control Center app version so features behave predictably. Once done, grant notifications, accessibility, and overlay permissions. These let the center capture controls and draw over other apps. Tap Setup in the app and accept each permission prompt as it appears. Make sure to enable the accessibility service last because it finalizes integration. This sequence prevents permission conflicts and speeds up the next configuration steps. Now you customize what you actually use. Pick quick tiles and reorder them with drag and drop so frequently used toggles are first. Next, set gesture triggers. Select swipe edges, adjust sensitivity, and test activation so you avoid accidental opens. Then choose themes, opacity, and icon sizes to balance visibility with screen content. While customizing, test changes immediately so you see why a different order or sensitivity works better. Make iterative tweaks until gestures and panels feel natural and unobtrusive. Finish by testing the control center across a few apps and check how it behaves on the lock screen so nothing breaks in daily use. If something misbehaves, first toggle the specific permission off and on, and then use Reset or Reapply Defaults inside settings to restore a known good state. Also exclude the app from battery optimization to prevent background shutdown. If gestures still fail, reboot the device. This clears transient permission or overlay conflicts and usually fixes lingering problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.